how to change navigation bar button order on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on display. After click on display, scroll down and click on navigation bar. After click on navigation bar, so click on button. After click on button and click on more option. After click on more option, so you will select if you want to change navigation bar button, so you will select change button from here. After change button, go back to home screen. So that's how you can change navigation bar button order on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.